I need to find best interiors for my new house. Oh God. I have no insight on interior companies. Oh God. They might be using high-quality materials, but it is not in my budget. Even for small change they are charging high. These guys are not understanding my requirements. There is no transparency on the material used or on the final designs. I don't feel confident. Looks like choosing right interiors is challenging. Let's visit one more company tomorrow. Finally, I found the Faithwood interiors which understand my requirements and my budget.